In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. This function is especially helpful for beginners who want to add numbers based on a specific condition instead of totaling an entire column. SUMIF allows you to calculate results quickly and accurately, making it ideal for budgets, sales tracking, attendance records, and many other everyday Excel tasks. To get started, open your worksheet in Microsoft Excel and make sure your data is properly organized. You should have one column that contains the values you want to add, such as amounts or quantities, and another column that contains the condition you want Excel to check, such as categories, names, or labels. Organizing your data this way helps Excel understand exactly what you want to calculate. Click the cell where you want the result of the calculation to appear. All Excel formulas begin with an equal sign, so type the equal sign and then enter the SUMIF function. The function works by first identifying the range that contains your condition, followed by the specific condition you are looking for, and then the range that contains the values to be added. Once the formula is complete, press Enter. Excel will scan the data and add only the values that match the condition you specified. For example, if you want to total all sales for a specific category, SUMIF will include only the rows that match that category and ignore everything else. This saves time and eliminates the need to manually filter and calculate totals. One of the biggest advantages of using SUMIF is that it updates automatically. If you change any values in your worksheet or add new data that meets the condition, the result will instantly adjust. This makes your spreadsheet more dynamic and reliable, especially when working with frequently updated information. It is important to ensure that the condition you enter matches the data exactly. Small differences in spelling or formatting can affect the result. Taking a moment to double-check your data helps avoid errors and ensures accurate calculations. As you become more comfortable with SUMIF, you will find that it simplifies many tasks that would otherwise take much longer to complete. It is a powerful yet beginner-friendly function that builds a strong foundation for learning more advanced Excel formulas. By mastering the SUMIF function, you gain better control over your data and improve your ability to analyze information efficiently. This skill is essential for anyone who regularly works with spreadsheets and wants clear, accurate results. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.